implementation. And also, I think what we need is to educate people on the welfare of pets. So hindi lang po yung papakainin sila, hindi lang meron siyang bahay. So we have to make them aware na hindi ang aso, hindi dapat lagi nakakulong, na dapat we give them dog food or cat food, and then we also exercise them. And we give other supplements and bring them to veterinarians for their health care. So we all of us should help itong mga pet owners na to be educated on those kinds of things.
Have they made it a criminal thing already, the hurting the animals? There's already penalty.
There's a penalty, and then also kulong. Imprisonment. So later, I think Dr. Arvini will discuss that, the new amendment sa Animal Welfare Act.
Let's say we're vigilantes, we caught somebody do that, can we already
You should just inform the actually what you could do is inform if you have like a city veterinary's office or provincial vet's office, you should go there and then file a complaint. Sino ba yung saan nakatira, ano yung ginawa, and then sila yung bahala. The LGU vets, local government vets.
I just recalled another viral that's so horrible. The dog was dragged from the motorcycle. I think that one. It's viral. It's viral. In cases like those, we just have to get our cameras and then cat photos. It's moving eh.
Yes.
So unless pero we can get siguro the license plate. Siguro that's the best we can do.
Yes, dapat
they're only resorting like now because nobody knows that there's a law on this. So they're just resorting to sharing and sharing. Hopefully it will get to the police, kasi who can
if you check yung government, yung mga Republic Acts, yung mga laws natin, it's there, yung Animal Welfare Act. So, medyo mas severe na yung punishment kasi before, parang ilang days lang of imprisonment and then like minimal lang yung fee. Maalala kasi it's not really implemented. Pero now, I think isa sa mga ginawa nila, tinaasan nila yung fine. I think it's 150 to 300,000 pesos fine. And then more than 30 days imprisonment. So we have to just check na lang the website, and then maybe we could share na lang din sa mga pet owners kung makaka-access natin at ma-upload natin yung app.
So that helps, no? Sharing it.
Kasi dapat in the future, it will also improve media. Kasi minsan nakakita ko, minsan pag nakakita ng ganun media, cruelty, imbes na tulungan lang, pinukunan nila. Dapat they should penalize for that. Di mo na nga tinulungan, pinukunan mo pa, di ba, na photo.
Dapat
ang nation na example daw, para di pa malisa. Pero kahit na nanood ka eh.
Sinishare pa nga eh.
Nanood ka eh, di ba? Hindi ko tumutong.
Dapat i-share na lang nila doon sa city vet's office or provincial vet's office. They will be the one to
Or then they're called the authorities. Tapos ang kwento.
Yes.